It's been a week since I'm using these Buds 2 Neo and I have a clear idea of how these earphones perform. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and before getting to the video, let me remind you, you can redeem the best deals on this earphone from the link down below in the description. Starting with the earphones, here it is. Here is the shipping package. So let's quickly unbox this and take out our earphones. Starting with the design and build, Realme doesn't have a good name in build quality. Also, both of my Buds Wireless 2 and the Watch 2 Pro died in 2 months, so can't say about this one. But since I'm using this for the last week, it hasn't stopped working yet. So let's see how far it will go. Now, what I love about these earphones is the 90-degree jack for all the new state players. How many of you are into it? Let me know in the comments down below. Along with the 90-degree jack, we get tangle-free cable, but it is not braided like the Realme Buds Wireless 2 and has no magnetic buds. Anyways, coming down to the comfort and fitting, I would like to say that these are very comfortable pair of earphones. I can easily wear them 3 to 4 hours straight without any pain or discomfort. Also, the fitting is quite good in day-to-day use. They won't come out, but if you are doing some running or workout, then they definitely will. Now, to take calls and control the media playback, we have a multifunction button, but the disappointing part is that there is no volume control. But talking about the inline mic, this is what it sounds like, so you can judge by that. Now, most importantly, what do you look for in any of these earphones? Sound quality, right? So just like the Buds 2, we get 11.2mm driver on the Neo, and by looking at the price, it produces very good sound. The bass is good, hip-hop, rap and pop genres felt great. I enjoyed listening to those, but when I was in acoustic sessions or rock genres, I felt the need of a bit of a boost in mids and highs. On some songs, the vocal felt suppressed, but again at a price of 429 rupees on Amazon, can't go wrong with this. One more thing, if you are curious about the loudness of these earphones, then they are quite loud, you won't ask for more. Now, the question is it worth it? What would I suggest? Then I would say Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo is a good pair of wired earphones. If you are in the market looking for an earphone, then you can pick this up. And if you have 170 rupees extra, then you can pick up the Realme Buds 2. It has braided cable, magnetic earbuds, cable tie manager, and somewhat better sound quality. Also, links to both of these earphones are down below in the description, so you can check those out. But that's been it, guys. That was it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.